But there are going to be other components of that organic material that are very resistant to breakdown. And they're going to have a tendency to build up. And where are they going to build up? They're going to build up in a semi-stable portion of the organic material in the soil, which we call the humus. So that term is also on this handout, and we're going to be describing and defining it in more detail later. But for now, I will say that the humus is kind of the semi-stable portion of the organic material in the soil. It's going to consist of the living microorganisms, the dead and decaying microorganisms, and those resistant plant components that were not easily broken down in the initial breakdown of the organic material as these organisms were working on it. So the humus, it's dark in color. It actually is so finely divided and decomposed that it's coating these mineral particles in the soil. As the humus content of the soil increases, we typically see a darker soil. Humus imparts a dark coloration to the soil. And we've kind of trained ourselves to believe that dark soils, high in organic material, are good. And in a general sense, that's very true. But it is not certainly the only criteria or consideration for having a productive soil is to have a dark soil. There are many soils which are very light in terms of coloration, do not have high organic matter levels, and yet can be productive when managed appropriately.